Hi, my name is Kurosh. I'm an industrial designer, farmer, and a ceramic artist. Growing up on a farm, I came to believe in the intelligence of plants. Given the right conditions, plants thrive without human intervention. With that belief, and by combining my knowledge of product design, plants, and ceramic together, I developed the Osmoponic system. Osmoponic utilizes osmosis to promote a healthy environment for plants. There is no overwatering or underwatering because the plants take water as they need for the growth, just like your pets do. During the past 5 years, I have been prototyping, testing, and developing a special blend of ceramic with specific firing conditions that create the optimal osmosis function, with which I have developed the Osmoponic self-watering planters. I have tested these products with every plant I could get my hands on and in all kinds of conditions, from indoor to outdoor and from tropical and moist to hot and dry environments. Today I'm here to introduce you to 3 of our concepts that meet all your needs for an indoor or outdoor planter-based plants. Introducing Oasis, Eden, and Island. These planters are fully ceramic in a one-piece double wall design. They are fully glazed on the outside and bottom. They water all variety of plants for up to a month without human intervention. The plants absorb water and nutrients through the inner ceramic wall as they need for a healthy growth through osmosis. It even includes a drainage system in case your outdoor plants are exposed to rain as to not hurt the plants and provide added oxygen to the roots. Just add water to the self-contained reservoir and give your plants the choice of drinking as they need. Oasis is for all plants, from succulents and cacti to orchids and herbs, as a bonsai starter to seasonal flowers and any other plants that you can fit in them. They come in 2 sizes of small for 4-inch pots and medium for 8-inch pots. Just plant and see a healthy, thriving plant shine as they enjoy the newly found independence and freedom to live as they please. Eden is designed for bonsais in masculine and feminine form, but can also be used for a variety of short-rooted plants as well, such as ground covers and succulents. It is 12-inch by 12-inch with 3-inch soil depth. With this design, you no longer need to worry about your precious and often fragile bonsais if you forget to water every day or need to be away for a few weeks. Just like most trees in nature, they will look after themselves and thrive. And finally, Island is for when you like to have a few coexisting plants living harmoniously next to each other to add variety and color to your life, such as a few different orchids side by side, succulents, herbs, cacti, starter bonsais, or any other plants of your choosing. We are offering these planters in 2 beautiful and neutral colors of matte white and matte gray. Please help us bring these products to your homes not only for your benefit of having thriving, healthy plants, but also to bring freedom and independence to your plants so that they can be the best that they can be. Make your plants feel at home.